The sun is a star. It is a giant ball of burning gas. Every day the sun bathes the earth in an incredible amount of energy. This energy is called solar energy. Solar energy is a renewable resource. This means it will never run out. It is a clean and sustainable alternative to fossil fuels. We can harness solar energy to power our homes and businesses. This is done through various technologies. These technologies convert sunlight into usable energy. This energy can power our lives. Solar energy offers a powerful solution. It can help combat climate change. It can create a more sustainable future. Let's explore the world of solar energy. Photovoltaic or PV panels are a key player in solar energy. They are commonly known as solar panels. These panels directly convert sunlight into electricity. This is a fascinating process. PV panels are made of semiconductor materials. Silicon is a common example. When sunlight hits these materials, it knocks electrons loose. This creates an electrical current. The electricity produced by PV panels is direct current, or DC. This needs to be converted to alternating current, or AC. AC is the standard electricity used in homes and businesses. This conversion is done by an inverter. The inverter is an essential component of a solar power system. Solar thermal systems use a different approach to capture solar energy. Instead of converting sunlight to electricity directly, they use it to heat water or air. This heat can then be used for various purposes. One common application is solar water heating. Solar thermal collectors are installed on rooftops. These collectors absorb sunlight and transfer the heat to water. The heated water can be used for showers, washing, and other household needs. Solar thermal systems can also provide space heating. In colder climates, solar heated air or water can supplement or even replace traditional heating systems. This can significantly reduce energy consumption. Section 4. Concentrated solar power. Focusing the sun's energy. Concentrated solar power, or CSP, is another method for harnessing the sun's energy. CSP plants use mirrors to concentrate sunlight onto a small area. This concentrated heat is then used to generate electricity. There are different types of CSP systems. One common type is the parabolic trough system. It uses long, curved mirrors to concentrate sunlight onto a receiver tube. The receiver tube contains a fluid, often molten salt, which is heated to high temperatures. The heated fluid is then used to generate steam. The steam drives a turbine, which in turn powers a generator to produce electricity. CSP plants are typically large-scale projects. They can generate electricity for entire communities or industrial facilities. Section 5. Components of a home solar power system. In this section, we will delve into the various parts that make up a home solar power system and how they work together to provide clean, renewable energy for your household. A home solar power system consists of several key components working together seamlessly to convert sunlight into usable electricity. Each component plays a vital role in ensuring the system operates efficiently and effectively. Understanding these components is crucial for understanding how solar energy is harnessed and used in a residential setting. By familiarizing yourself with these parts, you can better appreciate the technology behind solar power and make informed decisions about your energy needs. First, we have the solar panels themselves. These are the most visible part of the system and are typically installed on the roof of your home. Solar panels are made up of photovoltaic cells that capture sunlight and convert it into direct current, DC electricity. This process is known as the photovoltaic effect. These panels capture sunlight and convert it into direct current electricity. The efficiency of the panels can vary based on factors such as the quality of the materials used and the amount of sunlight they receive. The number of panels required depends on the energy needs of the household. A larger household with higher energy consumption will need more panels to meet its energy demands. Next is the inverter. The inverter is a critical component of the solar power system. The inverter converts the direct current electricity generated by the solar panels into alternating current, AC electricity. This is important because alternating current is the standard used by most household appliances and the electrical grid. Alternating current electricity is the standard used by most household appliances. The inverter ensures that the electricity generated by the solar panels can be used to power your home. Then we have the batteries. Solar batteries are an optional but highly beneficial component of a home solar power system. These are optional, but they store excess solar energy generated during the day. This stored energy can be used when the sun is not shining, such as at night or during cloudy days. This stored energy can be used at night or during periods of low sunlight. By storing excess energy, batteries can help ensure a consistent power supply and reduce reliance on the electrical grid. The charge controller is another essential component. The charge controller regulates the flow of electricity between the solar panels, batteries, and the rest of the system. It ensures that the batteries are charged correctly and prevents overcharging, which can damage the batteries and reduce their lifespan. It prevents overcharging and ensures optimal battery performance. By managing the flow of electricity, the charge controller helps maintain the overall health and efficiency of the solar power system. Lastly, a solar energy monitoring system is an invaluable tool for homeowners. This system allows homeowners to track their solar energy production and consumption in real time. It provides valuable data on system performance, energy savings, and can help identify any issues that may arise. It provides valuable data on system performance and energy savings. By monitoring your solar power system, you can ensure it is operating at peak efficiency and make adjustments as needed to maximize your energy savings. Section 6. Installing your solar power system, a step-by-step guide. Installing a solar power system is a multi-step process that involves careful planning and execution. It's not just about placing panels on your roof, it's about creating a system that will efficiently harness the sun's energy to power your home. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you understand the installation process. This guide will walk you through each phase, ensuring you know what to expect and how to prepare. First, there's the site assessment. A qualified solar installer will assess your roof's suitability for solar panels, considering factors such as orientation, shading, and structural integrity. This step is crucial because it determines the potential efficiency of your solar power system. Next is the system design. Based on your energy needs and the site assessment, the installer will design a solar power system that meets your requirements. This includes determining the number of panels, inverter size, and other components. The design phase ensures that your system is tailored to your specific energy consumption and site conditions. The installer will also consider the best placement for the panels to maximize sun exposure and energy production. They will take into account the angle of your roof and any potential obstructions that could cast shadows on the panels. Then, you need to obtain the necessary permits and approvals from your local government. This step is essential before installation can begin. The permits ensure that your installation complies with local building codes and regulations. The installer will typically handle this process for you, submitting the required paperwork and coordinating with local authorities. This can sometimes be a lengthy process, so it's important to start early. Once the permits are secured, the installation process can begin. Experienced technicians will install the solar panels, mounting system, inverter, and other components according to the design plan. This step involves precise work to ensure that everything is securely and correctly installed. The installation team will also ensure that the panels are properly aligned and angled to capture the maximum amount of sunlight throughout the day. They will use specialized equipment to mount the panels securely to your roof. After that comes the electrical connection. The technicians will connect the solar power system to your home's electrical grid. This step is critical as it allows the solar energy generated by the panels to be used in your home and any excess energy to be fed back into the grid. Finally, there's the inspection. After installation, a local inspector will ensure that the system meets all safety and building codes. This inspection is necessary to ensure that your system is safe and compliant with local regulations. Once approved, the system will be connected to the grid, allowing you to start generating solar energy. This connection is what enables you to benefit from net metering, where you can earn credits for any excess energy your system produces. With your system up and running, you can start enjoying the benefits of solar energy. Not only will you reduce your electricity bills, but you'll also be contributing to a more sustainable and eco-friendly future. Solar energy systems are a long-term investment that can increase the value of your home and provide energy independence. By following this step-by-step guide, you can ensure a smooth and successful installation process. Embracing solar power is a significant step towards reducing your carbon footprint and promoting renewable energy. With careful planning and professional installation, you can harness the power of the sun to meet your energy needs. Section 7, Solar Energy Savings, reducing your electricity bills. One of the most significant advantages of solar energy is its potential to reduce your electricity bills. By harnessing the power of the sun, you can generate your own electricity and become less dependent on traditional utility companies. By generating your own clean electricity, you can offset your reliance on traditional utility companies. This not only helps in reducing your monthly expenses, but also contributes to a greener environment. The amount of money you can save with solar energy depends on several factors. These include the size of your solar power system, your energy consumption habits, and the local electricity rates in your area. These include the size of your solar power system, your energy consumption habits, and the local electricity rates. For instance, a larger system can generate more electricity, potentially covering a greater portion of your energy needs, and the local electricity rates. Higher local electricity rates mean greater potential savings when you switch to solar energy. In many cases, homeowners with solar power systems can significantly reduce or even eliminate their monthly electricity bills. This can lead to substantial financial relief, especially over the long term. This translates into substantial savings over the lifetime of the system. The initial investment in solar panels can be recouped over time through these savings, making it a wise financial decision. Additionally, some utility companies offer net metering programs. Net metering allows homeowners to sell excess solar energy back to the grid, further increasing their savings and making their investment even more worthwhile. These programs allow homeowners to sell excess solar energy back to the grid, further increasing their savings. This means that during times when your solar panels produce more electricity than you need, you can actually earn credits or money from your utility company. Over time, these credits can add up, providing even more financial benefits. By taking advantage of solar energy and net metering, you can maximize your savings and contribute to a more sustainable future. Embracing solar energy is not just about saving money, it's also about making a positive impact on the environment. By reducing your reliance on fossil fuels, you help decrease greenhouse gas emissions and promote cleaner air. So consider investing in solar energy today. It's a step towards a more sustainable and financially secure future for you and your family. And